Hello everybody, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with another beauty tutorial. This is probably one of the easiest things I've ever done in my life. Let me just close some stuff up so I can get comfy and talk to you. So when I first started having bangs, I was cutting them, trimming them, keeping up with them. But then after a while I realized I didn't want them anymore and they got to that kind of weird length so that I couldn't exactly hold them back, but they were too long to keep down. So I ended up doing this thing where I would braid back my bangs, and it gave me this idea that I can do that same kind of braiding back bang thing while keeping my hair down. So today I'm going to be sharing with you just a very simple tutorial on how to braid your bangs and then keep your hair down. Keep on watching if you want to check it out, but before you do, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, so this is probably one of the easiest things in the entire world. The first thing that you have to do is just simply brush out your hair. If you would like to, you can also use a little bit of dry shampoo just to add some volume. Also because if you do want to end up making the braid look a little bit bigger, it'll kind of help with the greasiness that might happen or the stringiness of your hair. So I just did a very light amount. Normally I do a little bit more dry shampoo, but unfortunately my container was empty. So it's very simple. You're just going to you're going to brush out your hair. I have bangs that start from very far back. So what I did was actually part my hair very far on my right side so that I can get as much bangs as I could possibly grab. So basically all you're going to do is take a small section of hair and divide it into 3. Now instead of, you know how braids normally go over, this time you're going to go under. So you're going to take the front third section and put it underneath, and then take the back third section and put that underneath in the middle. Very simple. But the next step is where some people get a little bit confused. So with the next front bang, you're going to pull a little bit extra hair with it. So you're going to be doing that front section plus some. Then the back you're going to do like normal. And then that front section, when you do it again, you're going to be grabbing again a little bit more hair. So basically you're doing a reverse French braid, but only with one side instead of with both sides. So it's kind of like, what are those called? They're called boxer braids, I believe. That's what people are calling them. So you're basically making a boxer braid only using the front because you're pulling your bangs with you. And then you want to just simply clip it behind your ear with a bobby pin. And if you'd like to, you can kind of pull your hair just to make it look a little bit looser, which is, as you can see, what I did. And that's it. So this is really nice, very simple, very elegant, and then you can just keep your hair straight down without having to worry about like your bangs being all funky monkey. And that's it. So I hope that you enjoyed this very simple tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Feel free to like this video as well as comment down below and you tell me, what are your thoughts on braids? I love braids. I just wish I could do more braids. Who knows? Maybe in the new year I'll be doing more braid tutorials. But you let me know in the comments what you think. Also feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates on other videos that are to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!